Hi, this is Stux. Today I'll be teaching you a new potato recipe called potato waffles. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. For this recipe, you can either use freshly boiled potatoes or leftover cooked potatoes. Here I'm using fresh potatoes and I'm using 4 medium-sized potatoes. Once my potato is boiled, I'm going to use just 1.5 cups and mash. Other ingredients used in this recipe include 2 eggs, 1.5 cup of flour, 1.5 cup of buttermilk. Another replacement for buttermilk is milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of oil, and I also added in some parsley. Feel free to freestyle with yours. You can add in any ingredient that suits your preference. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Stux, and on this channel I upload healthy and yummy meal recipes, healthy drink recipes, career talks, travel vlogs, and some other lifestyle content. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. Once your butter is ready, bring out your waffle maker and grease before adding in the butter. You can either grease with oil or some butter. This potato waffle recipe is one you can't afford to miss, and a recipe you will love due to its yummy and irresistible taste. So ensure you give this a try. With this recipe, you should get 10 waffles of the same size as shown here. For a more crunchy taste, you can put your waffles in the oven for some minutes after making, or you air fry it for 4 to 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Please note, this step is optional. It's for those that would like to just go the extra mile. And once your waffle is ready, you can enjoy with any potato sauce you have at home. And that will be all for today's video. Ensure you like the video, share and comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.